the secret to being a successful laundry entrepreneur is blank. What is
Yeah,
it?
never stop learning, pivot when necessary, embrace change because things change all the time and you need to stay relevant. So that's the big thing is you need to stay involved, keep learning. If what you're doing isn't working, you need to pivot and you need to do something else. And I'm not saying you got to do a different business. You need to do your business a different way. Um, whether it's marketing or keeping the store cleaner or getting rid of staff and getting the right staff there. There's you're always pivoting, you're always learning, you're always changing. So um, that's the key, staying successful in my mind.
Perfect. Let's leave it right there. I think that's a great final
Awesome.
word.